If you're not used to it, working from home can be an adjustment. And it can be especially tough, but not impossible, if you don't have much extra space. How can you squeeze an inviting workstation into an already tight space? Chances are there's a spot in plain sight just begging to be transformed into your workstation. Swap out an end table by the sofa, or a nightstand by your bed with a small desk. Remove visible distractions. Only the items necessary for your work should be within arm's reach. If you make video calls, remember to also tidy up the space behind you. Getting rid of auditory distractions can be harder. This is where headphones come in handy. Setting boundaries is especially important if you live with other people. Have a conversation with roommates, children, your spouse, or any other people in your household. Come up with visual cues so they know when it's safe to approach you and when it's absolutely not okay to do so. But be forgiving too. In a small space, your workstation just might be in the path of other essential rooms in your house. If you're going to be living at home with this workstation, you'll need to like it. Don't outfit your room with boring office furniture. Find a table that will blend in nicely with the rest of your space. You need to be able to see your work so you can focus. Whether you use a table lamp or a hanging ceiling lamp, lighting is key. You'll need storage to keep your space tidy. A shelf along the wall can look great here, but a simple rolling cart works too. Finally, a nice photograph or artwork will go a long way towards making your workstation pleasant and inviting.